Yo, what's up, family? Welcome back to another episode of Wave Talk 101, powered by Ocean View Deep Waves Pomade, the podcast where we break down the wave game, the lifestyle, the culture, and everything in between. I'm your host, Darius, and today, I'm dropping game and getting personal. This episode is all about my 360 wave routine, the one that completely changed my wave game, the one that took me from a beginner brushing just to make ripples to an elite waver with full, deep connections and a crown that finally made sense. I'm not just going to tell you what I do, I'm going to tell you why I do it, what mistakes I used to make, and what I learned along the way. So if you're brushing right now, good. If not, go grab your brush. Let's lock in. So let me take y'all back for a quick second. When I first got into waving, I had no idea what I was doing. I was brushing whenever I felt like it. No routine, no structure, no plan, just vibes. I remember using that heavy blue Murray's grease, like way too much of it. My hair looked shiny, but it felt like plastic or something. I couldn't even move my brush through it. But what really changed things for me was when I stopped chasing quick results and started studying consistency. I told myself, if I'm going to get serious about this, I need to treat it like a workout plan. I got to show up every day, even on the days I don't feel like it. That's when things started clicking, and I built what I call my elite wave routine. Now, I'm about to break it all down, step by step. So let's start with the morning routine. This is how I set my waves up for the day. First thing, I unwrap my do-rag, take a look in the mirror, and check the lay. I don't brush right away. I look first. I see how my hair's sitting, if it's dry, if it's still compressed. Then I hit it with a warm towel for like 30 seconds or so. Not hot, just warm enough to open up my hair and scalp. That alone changed the game for me. Next, I apply a light moisturizer. Nothing heavy, something that actually soaks in. I use Ocean View's Butter Love or another natural leave-in. Then I brush, and I mean a really focused brush session. Usually it's about 15 to 20 minutes max. I even set a timer sometimes because it's really easy to get lost in it. After that, I take a soft brush, lay my waves down again, and then I throw the dewy back on for 15 to 20 minutes before I step out. That's the key right there. That quick tie-down session after brushing helps lock everything in. Back in the day, I used to just brush and go all the time. I didn't realize that my hair would start frizzing up as soon as I got in the car. That's why it's important that you really let it set. Now let's talk about the middle of the day, the part most wavers ignore. If I'm at work or out running errands, I always keep a brush in the car, usually a medium brush. Every few hours, especially if I've been sweating or wearing a hat, I'll do a quick 5-minute brush session. It's usually nothing crazy like that. It's just to keep maintaining the pattern I'm working on. And no, I'm not that guy brushing in traffic, but on lunch breaks or before I head home. Oh yeah, I'm brushing. Honestly, it's little things like that really add up. It's like touching up your form during a workout or a training session. It keeps you sharp and on point. Now, this right here, this is my absolute favorite part, the nighttime routine. This is where you're going to actually win or lose your progress. So after I get home, if I'm wolfing, I'll brush with a medium or hard brush for about 15 to 20 minutes. And if I'm fresh off a cut, I'll go with the softer brush for like maybe 10 minutes. Then I'll apply moisturizer if needed, not every night, but every other night or so. And here's something I just started doing recently that really helped me out big time. I'll mix a drop of Juice Boost wave oil in with my moisturizer, and all it really takes is just one drop. That combo makes my hair softer, more defined, and it keeps it from drying out overnight. After that, I brush it in for a few minutes, then grab my dewy. I tie my hair down, not too tight, and if I'm wolfing, I throw a stocking cap or a compression cap on top for extra compression. That's the move. Then, and this is underrated, I sleep on a silk pillowcase. because sometimes that do-rag will slide off and ain't nothing worse than waking up to chaos. Wash day, that's the reset button. I usually wash my hair once a week, sometimes twice if I've been using a lot of products. Here's my wash routine. Shampoo first, rinse it out. Apply conditioner, and while it's in, I start brushing my hair in pattern. That's the wash and style method right there. After that, I rinse, towel dry with a microfiber towel and apply my moisturizer while it's damp. Then I tie it down with a do-rag and let it set for about 30 to 40 minutes. When I take it off, that's when you see your real progress. One thing I stopped doing was skipping the wash and style day. I used to think washing and styling would mess up my waves. That wasn't true at all. I found that clean hair actually lays better, absorbs products better, and looks healthier. So here's what really changed everything for me. Mamar, it wasn't a product alone, nor a magic brush. It was consistency, patience, and discipline. I used to chase results fast. Like, I'd look in the mirror every day hoping and praying for progress. And when I didn't see it, I'd switch up my products or stop brushing as much. Now, I focus on the overall process. Every brush stroke counts, every do-rag tie down and compression session matters. This routine taught me discipline. It's like therapy, honestly. And when I started taking it seriously, I mean really committing to the process. That's when I became an elite waver. My crown tightened up, my connections got deeper, and my confidence went up too. It's not just about waves, it's about building habits that pay off. So that's my full 360 wave routine, the one that changed everything for me. Morning, midday, night, wash days, wolfing. Everything I do now is built on consistency and care. If you're a beginner or new to the wave game, don't rush it. All you have to do is build a routine that fits you, then stick to it. Adjust it as you learn your hair and wave patterns. And trust me, one day you'll wake up, take off that dewy, and realize, I did that. And honestly, that's one of the best feelings in the world. If you really enjoyed today's episode, make sure you listen to more content from Wave Talk 101 on Spotify and YouTube. Subscribe to Ocean View Brand on YouTube and check out all of our content. Drop a rating, share this with another waver, and hit us up on Instagram at Ocean View Brand to be featured on the page. Remember, new episodes drop every Monday. I'm your host, Darius. And until next time, stay disciplined, stay motivated, and stay wavy. I'm out.